Vridivej Finance presenting Sona BLW Precision Forging Limited IPO 2021. This is Gurugram based company. They are into the auto sector part making. Apart from them that they are having global footprints. Yes, this company is quite big across the world. So if you are interested, you can find more about this company. Yeah, this is a long term company, because if you see their diversification of products, they are literally into the technology based. And yes, automotive changes is happening, and they are upgrading themselves. If you see their website on comstar.com, then you will analyze this, how they are capturing the market. Sona Comstar, Sona Okinawa Precision Forging at New Delhi is public limited companies, and this is basically October 27, 1995 since, and they have changed their name to Sona Okinawa Precision to Sona BLW Precision Forging Limited in on June 28, 2013, and it has been fresh certificate they have received on 23rd July 2013. So Sona BLW Precision Limited is having 9 manufacturing and assembling facility across India, China, Mexico, USA, and 6 manufacturing facilities are located in India. Our facilities are in Chennai, China, Mexico, and USA, focus on production of electrical business products, and other facility in India focused on the production of driveline business products. While our facility in India manufacturing plant facilitated Mexico, USA, and China's satellite final assembly and finishing plant. If you see their global footprints along with the domestic presence, Sona BLW Precision Limited has located in Gurugram sector 35, Haryana. And then they're having another one offices into Manesar, Gurugram. Other than that, they are having into presence in Pune, Maharashtra. Comstar Technical Center is available into Tamil Nadu, Chengalpattu. Comstar Automotive Technologies Private Limited is also basically they are into the Tamil Nadu, say in different village, but it is into Chengalpattu, Tamil Nadu. Comstar Automotive is into the China, Hazong Hoof, where they are also Comstar Automotive LLC USA is into the MI USA. Apart from that, they are into Mexico, Guanajuato, Mexico. Sona BLW Precision Forging Limited IPO details. This IPO opening date is on 14 June and closing date is on the 16 June. Issue type is book build issue. IPO face value rupees 10 per equity share. IPO pricing is band between 285 to 291 per equity share, where market lot size is 51 share, minimum order quantity is 51 share, listing at NSE and BSE. Minimum lot you can apply for one lot 51 share, where the price amount is rupees 14,841 rupees, where maximum lot size is 13. You can buy the share 663 and amount will be 1,92,933 rupees only. For further information, please log on to NSE NSEindia.com. Vridivej Finance give a favorite tips that is called as a prediction about IPO subscription, We are expecting this IPO subscribe between 85% to 190%. Please keep watch on Grey Market Strategy. Market risk on own decision. Dear investors, these predictions can be failed too, because there are 3 IPOs are opening issues on the 14th and closing is around the 16th too. So there is no variation. An investor can confuse it, they can not subscribe, or they will choose particular IPO to invest it. So if you are a choosy investors, it is depends on you which IPO you will choose, and depends on the marketing strategy of the company is expected or their long term growth. See, this company basically since 1995 means believe me, it has completed more than at least number of years, 3 decades around. So if you look at that, this company is totally around 30 years completing, then this company is long term basis. See, Sona Comstar is into automotive, and it is into the Tamil Nadu, where they are into electric business in the northern region, like Haryana and all. So if you see, they are majorly doing automotive, so they will do long term business. Okay, it's not like a one day they will do it the business and everything. They are manufacturer always keep long term business. Thank you. By Vriddhi Finance. Have a great day. And yes, absolutely, our predictions can fail this time, or it can be perfect. Depends on the company strategy and depending on the basically investors' mind, what they have to choose, where they wanted to invest, as well as volatility into the market, whether they are interested to invest into the equity or they're interested into the IPO. But in case of IPO, either you can get a good amount of returns within a week. But listen, nowadays there are many companies are listing at the debit. Means like they have issue price is different, and then they start with the price below the issue on listing day. So it depends on you. If you are thinking it is at a risk, so you do one thing, after listing you can invest it. Okay, so that's will be profitable. Sometimes after listing investment is also profitable. And IPO, sometimes company gives first day listing day, they gives good returns, so that time you can invest it. Before this companies looks like they will give a good amount of returns, but it looks like a long term returns over a short term listing gain.